what it do, Corliss fans. A lot of you probably haven't seen this label in about 2.5 years. However, the world is very different now. Well, hello there, Mr. Avocado. Growing all sexy like you do. Yes, people. It's an avocado grown from seed. Pit, whatever you want to call it. No, I didn't do the put it in water and suspend it in toothpicks, tips, whatever you want to do. I put that bad boy in dirt and I let it work. Seed, right? They say that method is supposed to give you a better start, quicker sprouts. Didn't work for me. I did a side by side, and you know the ones that came up first? One of these junts. I think as of today, the plant is maybe 18 months old. So not bad for 18 months. We have some really, really healthy and luscious leaves. We got new shoots popping out all over the top. A lot of internoting starting to happen. So this bad boy's taking off. Something tells me it's time for a larger pot. Let's make it happen, people.